皆さんおはようございます。木村正彦でございます。巻き方ですか？巻いている枝に密着させることです。
Learn from the world-renowned bonsai expert Masahiko Kimura in his first ever online class.
ここにある木もここにつけた木も大体揃ってない。
Mr. Kimura explains his unique bonsai techniques in 2 long-format case studies, filmed entirely in his workshop near Tokyo. He also discusses the aesthetics and design principles of bonsai. The techniques covered in this masterclass include wiring, raffia application, making big bends, healing cracks, apex design, and the cultivation of moss. Don't miss this unique and once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to learn from Masahiko Kimura. Enroll now at bonsaiempire.com/courses.